Hi kids, are you ready to see how to make some salads? So first, let me tell you. So first we peel some carrots in. Then we are gonna wash these and then cut that red part. See that red part? We cut that off. And then if there's any bugs, just like use it with your finger. I think I see a bug, and then when you're done, like wet, you just pull it off. So let's get started. First, wash your hands. So I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Hi kids, I'm back. So now we get some carrots. If you have any carrots, just like get them online or on ShopRite. So you just peel them. So if that goes like in there, that's very sharp. So if it like slides on you, you would bleed. So we don't want that. So we hold from here and pull from there. So I learned from my parents so that I have to hold all the way over here. But when you're done with that side, you just flip it over to the other side. Yeah. So let me do the other ones. If you want to do it fast, but if it's your first time, do it slow. But if you're older and you can do it and you practice a lot, then you can go really fast. Like I practice a lot, so I can do it fast. When you see all that white stuff on the orange, peel it off, and you gotta check if there's any more white stuff on it, because that's not good, for our bodies. That's like, if you taste it, that's yucky. So when there's like dead stuff, like on stuff, we gotta put it in the compost so we can grow some fruits. Okay, so I'll be right back. I just gotta pour this in the garbage. Now, so first we wash this. I know I told you this before, way beginning, but I'm gonna tell you again so you remember in your head, in your mind. So I'm gonna go wash this, and then we are gonna cut that red, and then we are gonna take it off, okay? Now I'll be right back. Okay, hi kids again. Now I cut the thing in my kitchen. Now I'm gonna dry them. I rinsed them. I did rinse them. So you can't do them like that. You have to do them one by one, like that. Okay, so we are gonna put this right here. We're gonna put these over here. So if you have like a big bowl, if you have like any big bowls, just have one and peel some carrots and have some of these and just rip them apart when you're done with all that work. You can like, if you want to like grab a lot, just do two. So, and you can just do that and put them in place and then do that. Put it in. So if you have some quinoa and some of these walnuts, and quinoa, then you can like get some online or ShopRite. Well, I know the sickness is here, but you can still order them or go out because it's still open. So you can just get some online. So I got a handful. Just put it in and put it over there. This is quinoa. This is called quinoa. Can you say that? Okay, good. So I grab a handful and I put a little in there. Okay, so if you have these avocado, if you never taste one, and if you don't have one on your house, just like buy them. So you just get it and see that that's not good. You can't eat it. So get the green stuff. So we like put it in there, and that's called some
avocado.
So we get some that.
What are you doing? You eating some?
So now we're done with that. Now we're gonna put this in. This is called olive oil, tablespoon. Okay, so now if you have some of this, if you don't have some of this, just like, and you don't even taste it before, if you like taste it all by itself, it doesn't taste good. It just tastes like nothing. But when you put on something, it'll taste very good. So now I got some of this, fill all the way to the top, and then pour it in. And if you have some salt and like some pepper, and you never taste it, just like get some. So I'm putting some salt in. So this is called pepper. Okay. So now I'm gonna get a lemon. Okay, kids, this is very important. You have to listen to me. So when you have a sharp knife and you cut it all by yourself, and when you're a little kid and you don't know what you're doing, just ask your parent, because if you like cut yourself, then it'll bleed all over, and we don't want that to happen. So we have to have our mothers do it. So my mom is going to do it for me because I'm 5.5. So, well, not really 5.5. I'm just 5, but I am 5.5. So my mom's going to cut it for me. So, and I'll be right back. Okay, so kids, I got some lemon, and this is a lemon squeezer. If you've never seen one and you buy a little one, well, this is my parents' ones, so I don't have little ones. They didn't buy me one, so I'm just using theirs. So you don't do it like that, it'll squeeze all over. So you gotta do it like that. And see that yellow part? You put it in there, and you lift that up, and you squeeze it.
This salad is looking really good. I want to eat this now.
Okay, you can after.
Thank you.
Okay, so you can taste it and see if it's good or not. But I'm gonna only do one lemon. And guess what time it is? It's time to say goodbye, because this is how you make a salad. When you make your own salad, I want to see a picture. So I want to see how many things you put in, and you can put some raisins. You can put anything you want that's healthy. This is New York, and this is my house, and I am in my dining room making some salads. And have a nice day. I love you, and I hope you're feeling well, and I hope you are not sick. I think you're happy and not sad for my show. thank you for watching my PBSKids.org house. Thank you.